Today we're looking at a 2006 International 4400, stock number 064373. It's got a DT 466 engine in it, 245 horsepower, 6-speed Allison automatic transmission. It's got power steering, air brakes, air conditioning, cruise control, tilt wheel, AM FM radio, mirror heat, block heater, exhaust brake, 150-gallon aluminum fuel tank located on the passenger side. Tires are 295 75R 22.5 tires on steel bloods on the front with 50% tread. And in the rear we have 22.5 tires as well, 50% tread. Mounted on this truck we have a 1988 Amthor 2800 gallon by 3 compartment. Compartment sizes are 1400, 800, 600. DOT spec is MC306. It's got 2.5-inch Blackmer pump under the bottom. We have a 2-inch LC meter and register with auto stop and ticket printer. Has a new Hannay electric hose reel. Have about 130 feet of hose and 1/3/8 inch. Has a Scully nozzle on it. And here it has cable operated internal valves. And over here we have the 3-compartment manifold that's blanked for bottom loading. All you need to do is add load heads. And it has an aluminum toolbox on the driver's side. This truck has 155,000 miles on it. So if you have any questions about this 2006 International, stock number 064373, give us a call at 865-524-5678 or check out our website at petroleumtrucks.net.